Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to properly back up a Mozilla Firefox user profile, including all data associated with it, and create a new Mozilla Firefox profile, and then deploy that data from your original profile into the new profile. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need a utility called Mods Backup. And you simply can go out there to the internet and you can go ahead and just type in MOZ Backup. And it's literally the first one. If you want to use Google, it's fine too as well. It'll come up the first one. So go ahead and click on that. Don't do this one because it's a beta. Go ahead and choose download. And then you're going to go ahead and install a program. And then I will go ahead and download and install Mozilla Firefox or backup for you. All right, I'm not going to go ahead and do that because it's already installed, but I want you to take a quick look at my home pages, etc. And you can see all my bookmark bars up here as well. And you can see how my Firefox is themed. All right, so let's get right down to it. Simply, you need to make sure that Firefox is closed. And we're going to go ahead and back up a profile. Go ahead and hit next. You'll see that it has Mozilla Firefox current version. And you see it has backup a profile. Hit next. This is the default profile. This is the location where the PCV file will be stored. In this case, it's my documents. We'll go ahead and leave it there. Hit next. Do I want to password protect a file? No, at this time. All right. This will literally save your bookmarks, your history, all your extensions, and your extension data, passwords, cookies, download lists, certificates, literally everything you can think of. But as a note, when we are troubleshooting a profile and there are problems with it, we might want to untick this box here just to be safe. And that's just because sometimes extensions can get messed up and deploying it will just duplicate the problem. But anyway, we'll go ahead and hit next. It's backing everything up, bookmarks, etc. All right, we'll go ahead and hit finish. That's all there is to it. So now, let's go ahead and create a brand new Firefox profile the correct way. Okay. Go down to the Start menu or the Start orb and type in Firefox.exe, a space -P. This is the Firefox Profile Manager. Now, as you can see, when we ran the Mozilla backup, you had default user there to back up, and that's what shows there. So let's go ahead and create a brand new Mozilla Firefox profile. And we're just going to type in new. Finish. And then we're just going to go ahead and start Firefox. As you can see, Firefox is completely different. It doesn't start with my home page. None of my bookmark bars are there, and it's not themed. There are no extensions. Okay. This is the correct way to create a Mozilla Firefox profile. Okay, there's no need to go in and make folders and rename stuff, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and then I'm going to show you how to deploy the existing data from the original profile into the new profile. We're going to use Mods Backup again. And we're going to go ahead and choose Next. In this case, we're going to restore profile. Hit Next. Now you see where this new profile is. So let's go ahead and hit New. And then this is that file that we made earlier. It's already selected. Hit Open. Hit Next. And here's where you have the option to import the extensions or not. And if you're having trouble with a profile, it might be a good idea to not import the extensions, at least for now. You can always go ahead and delete this profile and create a new one if you find that the extensions are causing a problem. So let's go ahead and hit next. And this will say that we'll overwrite the existing files in the selected profile. Do I want to continue? And I'm going to choose yes. And we're finished. So let's go ahead and start Firefox back up again. And there it is. Brand new profile with all my data imported. If you're skeptical, just go ahead and go to firefox.exe /p to Profile Manager. Here's my new profile. Start Firefox. And there it is. And that, my friends, is the easy way, the best way to back up a Mozilla Firefox profile, create a brand new Mozilla Firefox profile for troubleshooting if you need to, and deploy the data back into the new profile from the old profile. But please remember, if you have corrupt data in the original profile, it will transfer back to the new one. That's why I suggest you leave the extensions checked off if you think you have a bad profile.